Hey guys, what's happening? Tom Canino here, back with another video for you guys. In this video, we're going to be going over the routing for an in-tank Hellcat fuel pump from Shed Built Motorsports and Dirty Water Racing. First, you have your supply line. This is a 5/16 to a 6AN. You're going to want to get one of these fittings. Here, you're going to want to have a coupler because this is a male, but you're also going to have a male on this Y. So you need a 6AN to 6AN female coupler. After that, basically the idea is to split the supply line. So you have one supply line coming into the firewall and you just split it. We're going to use this Y. On the bottom, you're going to want to run a 90-degree AN fitting and the top a 45-degree. And you're going to want to feed them both up here, kind of follow your brake lines, and then over the brake fluid reservoir. Now this bottom one is a 90. That's going to go to this. Your high pressure fuel pump supply line, and you're going to want to hit this with a 45-degree angle and fitting. The other line goes from a 45-degree, and you can follow it. It's going to go under your high pressure fuel pump housing, between that and your EGR housing. From there, we don't have our fuel rail on because I'm still waiting for my injectors. Those should be coming soon, so we're actually just mocking this up today. Now this is going to route between your fuel rail and your intake manifold. And then it's going to come up here, and we're going to have it something like this. We're going to hit this with a 90 to your fuel rail. After that, you need a return line. Now you'll have a fuel pressure regulator. This is one from Summit. And on the bottom, it has a 6AN male fitting. And we're going to use this straight 6AN fitting for the return line. It's going to come like this. And we're going to send this hose back through over the transmission, and on the fuel pump we're going to hit the return 6AN male fitting with this 90-degree fitting.